If you clicked on this video, I already know three things about you. One, you're making content consistently, but your views aren't matching the effort. Two, you've tried fixing your thumbnails, your titles, or maybe even bought a new gear, and it's still not working. And three, you're maybe starting to wonder, maybe you're just not good at this. Here's the thing, your content isn't the problem. Trust me, let me show you what it actually is. So, full transparency, this is my channel. I'm almost 11 months in. I posted around like 30 long form videos and I think like 70 shorts, I guess. This video right here, 487 views. Not bad for a small channel. This one, 28, 17, same lighting, same editing software, and same amount of the effort. For the longest time, I thought it was just random. Like YouTube was just deciding, not today for my videos. But then I sat down and analyzed everything. Every video, every metric, every pattern that I could find. And honestly, it wasn't random at all. 3 clear patterns showed up that had nothing to do with the video quality. So grab a coffee or whatever you need because I'm walking you through exactly what I found. And if you're stuck in this 50 video per zone, this video might actually help you a lot. Alright, first pattern. And this one surprised me because I thought I was already being specific as much as I can. I made a video called Destroy Your Comfort Zone. You know, motivational energy, big promise, 46 views, dead on arrival. And compare that to another video with how I launched my first digital product on Warp and how it went. Specific platform, specific thing I did, specific outcome, 252 views. Or look at this, tiny routines that changed my life, where I actually listed the routines, 152 views. And this time I had like 17 subscribers around. 17 subscribers and 152 views. That's crazy numbers. And that what video I did, I think I had like 46 subscribers, 46 around. It was below 50, but it had like 252 views. 4 times. Oh, I don't know, you do the maths. The outlier was crazy. And compare that to, you don't need the perfect plan to start a channel, which is fine advice, I guess. 79 views. Here's what clicked for me. When you say improve your productivity, people scroll past it because they've already seen it like 1,000 times already in the same day. It's done. It's overdone. But when you say, I tested Notion for 30 days as a content calendar, here's what happened. Suddenly, there's a reason to click. There's something concrete the viewer can picture. Think about it like this. If your friend asks you, how do I get better at YouTube? You probably say, just make better videos. Because it's too broad to even answer, because there might be tons of things that you could do to be better at YouTube. Like, there is like shit ton of things to do to be better at YouTube. But if they ask, do I use Premiere or Davinci for editing? Now you can actually help them. That's the difference. So the tactical thing here is before you even start filming, before you even write anything, finish this sentence. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to and whatever you're doing, whatever you're planning to show, whatever value you're providing. What I'm doing now is every video has a specific thing, a tool I'm testing, an experiment I'm running, actual data that I'm breaking down. No more, here's how to be productive videos. That era is over for me. And that's how I started, like, because I wanted to get better because I was in slums. Let's say I was in a bad space, bad headspace, physically, mentally. I was in a bad state and I just wanted to get better. And I wanted to show others how to do it while I'm actually doing it. Now I'm more into this creator, AI, like, because these are the things that I regularly use. And I loved it. Okay, second pattern. This one kind of hurt my ego at first, to be honest. My best performing videos weren't the polished ones. They were the ones where I showed the real, messy stuff. How much did my first digital product actually make? Brutally honest. I literally showed my revenue dashboard. It wasn't even impressive. I made like $0. I sold 0 digital products. But 208 views, solid watch time. And I replaced myself with AI for 7 days. Showed the whole experiment, including the parts where it failed. 198 views. And these are small numbers, but remember, I don't have much subscribers. Meanwhile, my perfectly structured, smooth B-rolls, 30, 40 views. Nobody gave a single fuck. I think I know why this happens. We're all drowning in polished content, right? Every video's got that cinematic B-roll, perfect lighting, and sponsor integrations. I don't know where am I gonna reach that, but I hope soon. Let's keep my fingers crossed. But what do you actually want to see? What I want to see when I'm watching someone is okay. What really happened though? Like, show me your actual screen. Show me the stress scene. Show me where you messed up so I don't mess up. So my viewers who I'm gonna teach, they're not gonna mess up. There's this weird thing we do as creators where we think people want to learn from us after we've figured everything out. Like we need to be an expert first. But honestly, people want to see while you're figuring it out. That's the part they actually relate to. And that's the part that's actually helpful. So here's what I'm changing. I'm not waiting anymore. Every experiment I run, I'm gonna document in real life. I don't know how many times I've said this, but I always forget. My bad. Testing a new tool? Here's day 1. Here's day 7. Here's whether it was worth it or not. Tried a new strategy? Here's what the analytics showed. Good, bad, whatever. The vulnerability is the value. I'm learning that now. Better late than never. 10 months in, almost 11 months in, I'm learning it. Life is all about learning. It's okay. And I'm sorry, I'm a little sick right now, so my voice is pretty bad. I can't really talk that loud, so I'll have to manually dial it up in the post-processing. So I don't know how it's gonna sound. And third pattern. And this one's all about playing the long game. My tool-focused content, the videos about specific apps, AI workflows, productivity systems, these kept getting views even after months of posting them. My motivational content spiked for a day or two, but flatlined, like 0. Look at this. I learned AI in 7 days. Posted 4 months ago, still getting views from search. It's not crazy, but better than nothing. And we need to keep in mind that I'm still a small channel. So I was like at least a decent channel. This would have been even more. The lie that broke a generation, motivational angle, inspiring message, dead after 48 hours. Hey, yeah. Here's the difference. And remember this keyword. Searchability. Someone 3 months from now might Google AI tools for content creators and find my video, maybe. But I know for sure nobody's Googling motivational for today or motivational video to watch today. They might watch it if it pops up, like if they really want to watch it, but I don't think anyone's searching. At least in comparison, the searchability comparison, AI is 100% gonna get searched way more than motivational content. And look, I'm not saying motivational content is bad. It has its place. If you're Mr. Beast, you can make anything to go viral. But for us, small channels that are trying to build, if you are a small channel, we need content that works while we sleep. Because we don't have a team, we don't have a big ass team to write, edit, generate ideas for us. One video that gets like 10 views per day is 3,650 views per year. That's way better than one video that gets like 100, 200, even 300 views in one day and just flat lines. You see the difference? Plus, and this is just the business reality, tech companies pay way more for brand deals. I'm talking with you guys. If any of you guys want to sponsor me, long shot, I'm open to it. It's gonna be a long shot, but it's fine. I'm gonna shoot my shot. You miss 100% of the shot you don't take. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take my shot. Like, they pay significantly more. Pay me more. So I can upgrade my shitty setup. Yeah. A productivity app sponsorship for a small creator might be $500. A general lifestyle brand, maybe 100. Like $200 for a small channel. Not even that. So it's not just about the views. It's about building towards something that can actually support you in the long run. How are you gonna sustain? What I'm doing is I'm doubling down on creator and tech systems. AI tools, productivity apps, workflow breakdowns. Not because they went viral. They didn't. And let me tell you, nothing has popped up in my channel. Nothing has went viral. Nothing. 0. I haven't popped up in 10 months. But because there's consistent search traffic, And it's what I'm genuinely curious about anyways. So it perfectly makes sense to do it. If your thing is fitness, gaming, or cooking, same principle applies. Find the searchable angle in your niche. Alright, so here's where I'm at. I'm going all in on creative productivity and tech. One video a week, or at least I'll try. At least I think I should try it one video per week, but I'm so crazy busy being a student and a full-time worker. It's so hard to do YouTube on the side. And I want to make this my career. So I will work hard. In the words of Alex Hormozy, put on so much crazy work, it's impossible to fail. I'll make sure it's impossible to fail for me. One video, at least in 2 weeks. That's my promise. But always about a specific tool or an experiment that I'm running. If that sounds like something you would actually watch and spend your time, if you're trying to build a channel efficiently, or you're just curious about what tools are actually worth the money, subscribe. And real talk, comment what you're struggling with right now. Is it workload stuff? Are you trying to figure out which editing software to use? Or do you just need to know if paying for ChatGPT Plus is worth it? Short answer, there's a workaround. You don't need to pay for it, there are workarounds. I'm building my content calendar on what you guys actually need help with. So help me help you. That's it. Stop tweaking your thumbnails and start tweaking your strategy. See you next week. Oh, one last thing. The spreadsheet I talked about where I tracked all my videos, I made a Notion template version of it. It's free. Links in the description. Fill it out for you at least last 10 videos and I 100% guarantee you will see a pattern that you've been actually missing. Alright, actually done. Later.